Hey, hey, hey! It's your girl Raw Vibes here with the dancehall move of the week. So if you know the popular song Toast by Coffee, you might have seen this move that became almost synonymous with the song. It's called Congrats by Overload Skankers. Let's check it out.
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and me go on with it.
Now, for Congrats, the base of this move is kind of this little wiggle motion, right? So your feet, you kind of just want to be doing this little pedaling motion, right? So you go up on your toe on your left, up on your toe on your right, and just keep alternating. When you go up on the right side, you want to swing your hips to the left side. And the alternate is also true, okay? So you're wiggling and you're pedaling, okay? And that's the base of this movement. Now, when we look at the hands, what we want to do is start with 2 claps, just like that. Then you want to cross your hands and hit your forearms twice as well, okay? So that's 1 and 2 and, okay? Now you want to bring it up and clap the back of your hands, 3 and then you want to reach up and grab, 4, okay? Let's put just that together, just the hands, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, okay? Now after you grab, you want to make it rain, okay? So your fingers just wiggling, spirit fingers all the way down, all right? Let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Rain, rain, 7, 8. All right? Now, let's try adding the hips to that and the pedal. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And as usual, have fun with it, enjoy yourself. Let's try it with the music. Let's get that little rock.
When I rise and boast, yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful.
5, 6,
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends we take off with the load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and we go on with the road. Third form is a
All right, and that was Congrats, created by the Overload Skankers. So whenever you hear Toast come on, show them what you can do. Hey! Yes! I hope you're proud of yourself because I know you killed it. And don't forget, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raw Vibes. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media at Raw Vibes, and subscribe to my newsletter at rawvibes.com for more dance tutorials. Peace!